Hey everyone, it is Nicole again from the Financial Wealth and Success Builder team, and you can find us on the World Wide Web. That our web address is going to be down in the description box, as well as um, our YouTube channel that we post this on will also be down in the description box as well. So you can subscribe to our channel, see our reviews, see where we're earning passive income, and we would be more than happy for you to join our team. We answer your questions. We are on Telegram and on WhatsApp app, and we just try to cater to you in ways that you already have social media platforms, and you can just reach out to us on those social media platforms, and we'll be more than happy to help you get your momentum started to earn consistently and frequently on these passive income platforms, either doing it passively or telling other people about it and even gaining more income just because you referred people over. So we would be more than happy for you to, if you have not got started in CashFX and you really enjoy what you are hearing about with CashFX today, then we just ask you to click the link down in the description and join CashFX today. And let's get started. This is my 2-month review of CashFX, and I have personally put in $500 only with CashFX in March, and um, this platform is reliable. It has been around since 2019. A lot of people, there's a lot of members in this, and they will pay you. You don't have to wake up wondering if you're going to get paid, if they're still going to be there tomorrow. And that's why I enjoy this platform. So, with further ado, I will just get started and let you know with my $500 what I have made. So on this dashboard, this is not what it looks like before you join. When you join, you have to pick an academy that you want. And once you pick academy, it might take about 7 days or so for your plan to be activated. So you may or may not see this site that I'm about to show you for about 7 days after you put in your cryptocurrency into the academy pack that you want. So don't be afraid or scared. So the dashboard and all these different, they have so many resources, so much information to go over, um, because it's been around since 2019. So they have put a lot of information on their site. Um, so don't be alarmed when you join. Just go through each one of these and figure out what they are, and read through, and then you'll get the hang of what each tab is. So they are phenomenal. They're always doing events. They always are posting blogs and posts and news of things that they're upgrading and doing brand new. So that's why I really enjoy um, this platform a lot. So you can see here, you can join and right here, and you pay a subscription, I believe, every month, and you can copy other people's trades that are professional traders, and you just have to pay a certain amount of annual or monthly subscription. I want you to know that if you join this platform, you're going to get paid on Saturdays, only on Saturdays, as it says here, um, that it takes about 7 business days or more to reach your Bitcoin wallet. So you get paid on Saturdays. Every Saturday you'll see a payment out to you. And then say you withdraw on Saturday, you will not see your Bitcoin wallet get money from CashFX for approximately 7 days. So think of 7 days of getting paid from CashFX on your platform, and then also waiting 7 more days to get it in your wallet. And it's just their basic rules. I don't have any explanation for what they do. I just follow what they say. you'll see the new Cash FX social movement going on. You can go to this website, join their social platform. Um, and I'm just reading, it's in English and in Spanish. So if you want to have community, you can get connected to going to that website. Um, and you can find out the social events that they have going around the world. You can also get your own professional marketing system. I think you pay like approximately $43 a month of subscription, and they give you all access to how to promote your online business. It's pretty incredible. If you click on the site, they give you access to so much affiliate links and how to perform, and the list goes on. So if you're really wanting to uh, grow passively, but also give other people a chance to know about Cash FX, how they can earn money passively as well, instead of just leaving their money in their bank account and earning nothing, then you should join the system. It's only $42 a month, and they give you access to so much information and how to promote your business. So this is my first time trading or promoting Cash FX. I've never in 2 months have told anybody at Cash FX, hadn't recorded a video for Cash FX, so this is my first. So I have not promoted this. I've not been actively promoting this. So I want you guys to know that I've just been wanting to wait and see how well this platform does for me before I start telling other people. And you get the first bids on learning what Cash FX has been like for me. So you can see that out of the $500 that I put in, I right now have earned $116. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I will be getting more money in this account tomorrow. So this will go up um, in approximation. I cannot tell you because it changes and fluctuates from week to week. But with their platform, you can only withdraw if you have $100 balance. So now I can actually finally withdraw this $116 from my balance. And with that being said, they will take out 20% of your money that you earn in this um, capital that you've earned. So they will take out, if I have 116, they will take out $23. So I will be left over with minus $23. So approximately $93 I will get in my wallet address in Bitcoin once I'm done. So I want you to know that every single time you withdraw, they take out 20%. It's just the way that their business operates. I want you to know that you will make more than $500 though. You know, I'm in the elementary pack, you know, because I wanted to see how this had ran. I'm pretty confident in the Cash FX. I know a good friend of mine's a trader here. So for Cash FX, so I know the platform is going nowhere. You can see that I've earned 26% of my total 100% balance. So you can figure out the math of $116. So I'm a quarter of the way there of my earnings. And then you can see the progress until I'm finished, which is only a little bit. And I still have a lot more to earn on the way. And I'm not really sure exactly how much I'm going to be earning more than $500. I just know that I am going to be making more than $500. I think it's cheap. I think it's going to be around $300 more dollars. So $300 profit to $500 approximately that I'll be making off of this once it's said and done. And it's going to probably expire in a total of 6 more months from now, which is a total of 8 months from when I began. And then you can see here their daily training. They have a force matrix. They have all these different platforms. Hey guys, this is all what they will give you if you just refer people. Now you can see I have not been referring. I wanted to take a step back and see if they do pay, how does it work, and all of that. So, but yeah, I have openly been building other businesses like Cupid Life and um, Copy Pro Traders and Daisy. So this is not the only platform that I'm on, but I know that if you want to make passive income from a platform that is going nowhere and you can have full confidence in, then I would say join this platform. I know that it's not feasible to Canada users. I don't know about United States right now, but I know Canada is not. They don't have this in Canada. They're they have the reasons why they're not. So, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm super excited. This will always pay out. I'm so confident in it. And if you want to earn money every single week, and on your gains of what you would otherwise be leaving in the bank account. And if you want to promote this business, you have the highest potential. I know a woman that has promoted this business, only this business. She went from making $500 to $85,000 in just 1 year, just by telling people that it can make passive earning income with letting other people trade for them. That's why I love this platform. And if you decide to join, I will give you all the information more about Cash Effects on our website. So you can click on our website below and get more information about that. God bless. Take care.